In this video, we're going to use the Multibox die set to show how we can create various size boxes to use alongside your Carnation Crafts cards. The die itself features 3 different sizes of boxes. They are 9 3/4, 6 3/4, and 4 1/4 when made up. When you've made them, you can create boxes that look just as stunning as this. So basically you're creating the foundation onto which you can add your designs like so. This is the largest size box, ideal for your 8x8 cards. Right down to your smaller size box like so, which is really ideal for those nice little notelet cards and things like that. To create our box, what we need to do is select which size box we wish to be working with. In this case, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the 6 3/4 design. Gently remove that from my packaging. And this die set, we need to cut 8 times. That's going to create your 4 corners for your lid of your box. It's also then going to create your 4 corners for your base of your box. Now on the die itself, it has obviously your cut line details, and it also has your scores as well. Now they play a really integral part to the box construction, and we will look at those when we look at the die cuts themselves. So we're taking 350 GSM perfect smooth cardstock, and we're cutting this initially 4 times for the lid of the box, and again 4 times again for the base of the box. For the lid, you cut your 4, and they cut like so. So you get this lovely detailing, this dot and dash detailing down at one side. And then along both edges, you will see you have not only your score lines to fold the edge of the box over, but also this additional score line. Now this can be used either to fold back along to strengthen the sides of the box should you wish, or you can keep it at its full length here and create a deeper size box. So it really depends on your end project and what you want to achieve. You'll notice when you cut your corners, you will have a score line just along the top edge of the longest side of the corner. When you come to create your base, you need to snip along this line here on all 4 corners to create a slightly smaller base into which you can pop your card, and this will then work perfectly and align perfectly with the lid. Okay, to create the lid, all we're going to do is take our nice 350 perfect smooth cardstock, and we're going to stick the tabs together using red liner tape, nice strong adhesive tape, and we're just going to go along like so 4 times on each corner. So again, taking that red liner tape away and folding and securing that tab. We're doing this on the 4 corners to create our lid of our box, just like so, and the final one like so. We then need to construct the box itself using these corners. The basic principle here is you're sticking the short side to the long side, okay, all the way around. Now I'll just construct it and show before we commit to sticking. For this last corner, short side to long side, and then the long side tucks underneath the short side like so, and that's going to create your box lid. So let's go ahead and stick that into place. Again, we're using red liner tape, nice strong adhesive tape, and it's just about taking your time, removing the tape and aligning your box so you're butting that edge into the corner of this side. Everything then just slots together nice and evenly. So we're just flattening that down to make sure we're securing that tape. Same with this side, removing that red line tape, and once again sticking short side to long side, butting that corner up against the corner inside the box and smoothing that tape down. And then the last one, as we mentioned before, we long side to short side and stick, and then this short side tucks like so. Okay, so long side to short side all the way around using red liner tape. Just removing that carrier sheet and getting that last little piece into place like so. So there we have constructed our lid. With the little central panel, you do have within your die set the 3 different sizes of squares, and they are used to reinforce and obviously cover that little section there. And you've got the 3 different sizes to match the 3 different sizes of your corners as well. So we're going to take our square, again cut from 350 perfect smooth GSM, and stick using our red liner tape, and we just want to align that so it works with the pattern and it makes a really nice feature on the top of your box. Once we've got that aligned, we can just flip that over and smooth that red liner tape into place. If you wish, you can also add another square just to the inside to neaten that up as well. For the base of your box, all we're going to do is repeat that process. So we're cutting 4 of the corners and 1 of the square again, but remember to make it slightly smaller. We're going to take each corner and just where it's marked along that edge, remember that little edge will be sort of embossed into your card, we trim that down to make a slightly smaller base for the lid of our box to sit into, like so. Perfect. Then go ahead and embellish as you wish, and as you've seen, you can use the Carnation collections to create something truly stunning.